Hey, what's up, Sagittarius? Welcome to the Awakened Vision. This is your next energy update for the next few moving forward. Whenever you fall upon the reading, it was meant for you at the time. Take whatever resonates, however fits your situation, and to use the information accordingly. All right, so we're going to start off with this oracle deck here. It's a compilation of 2 oracle decks, Angel Answers and Moonology Oracle, and we're going to see what you're dealing with at this moment. Opening us up for the tarot reading. Pray you all are doing well in this new season. I was about to say in this new era of our life, but in this new season here, we're in Taurus season. Beautiful energy. Of course, with this Taurus energy, and of course with Jupiter being in Taurus right now, I just feel that lazy energy. Like everything's better when I can just be lazy. I can just sit around, eat whatever I want, whenever I want, indulge in my senses. But it definitely is more to that. But of course, that's what I'm feeling right now, So let's see. What do we have for Taurus right now? Answering any questions for Sagittarius. I said Taurus. Answering any questions for Sagittarius. Yes or no response, timing, action, along with the moonology. All right, so we have waxing crescent moon. Have faith in your dreams. Okay, so something's growing. All right, and then we have communicates clearly. Okay, so Sagittarius, this is a time right now, okay, in the next few, where you could talk about what you want. You could talk about your visions. You could talk about what you see. Okay, you could talk about what you want to establish on this world, on this earth. You could discuss those things and be okay with discussing it. All right, right now you are a visionary. Okay, right now you have faith in those things that you can't truly see, but you can somewhat feel. This is the time to talk about that. There could be someone that's coming in so that you can have this discussion with. I am getting it is somewhat intellectual. Okay, some of you are sapiosexuals. That's beautiful. It seems as though there's communication that you're having with someone here. I'm also getting somewhat of a psychic link with you and another individual here. I'm definitely getting that you and this individual will be on the same wavelength. Okay, you will be on the same wave, okay, or the same frequency as an individual here. Maybe you are on the same frequency, and of course this could be, dealing with your chakras. Okay, maybe you're in your head chakras. You will encounter someone who is also in their head chakras. Okay, so this is elevated thought, elevated thinking, elevated speech, elevated communication that's coming in, and having a discussion about those things that you can't see but you can feel. There is some evidence to it, but most of the evidence comes from your dreams that you are having or the things that you are feeling internally. Okay. I'm getting something about a green robe, or the color green, blue, so like aquamarine or teal or turquoise. Yeah, we have the dreamer. A new start, trust yourself, push your fears aside, and take a leap of faith. Have faith in your dreams. So this is like the energy where you are taking those necessary steps and believing that it will have a positive impact on where you're headed, or what you ultimately want to come into being. Okay, awakening. Okay, you're awakening to something. Wise counsel. Okay, we have two here. We have ego and we have transformation, just like Virgo. And then we have 11, balance. All right. So we have the illusion of being trapped, accept responsibility for your situation, and then make choices that support your path to happiness, addictions, or unhealthy habits. Ego, we have transformation, a significant life experience that requires change to be made. Powerful and often unexpected revelations, breaking free of procrastination, releasing old belief systems. All right. I'm definitely getting something here is unorthodox. Okay, something that you are a part of, and it could be your way of thinking, but maybe your conversations weren't matching up with what you truly believe in. There is someone here that's coming in to kind of like help break you free from that attachment, because some of you felt that you had some sort of responsibility to uphold so that you don't disrespect something that you were once a part of, or, you know, so that you can respect, a system that you was once a part of here. Okay, but someone's breaking free from that here. I'm almost getting an energy of like disrespect, almost like the universe wants you to disrespect someone or something that's been built, because maybe something could be going against what you believe in now, or something could be prohibiting you from um, truly believing, in what you say you believe in, or what you want to become a part of, at this time, or what do you want to establish. Okay, so there definitely needs some sort of balance here. Okay, the angel of balance is here. Michael is here. Okay, Chamuel, okay, is here. But we need something to kind of like break you free from believing that you always have to remain silent or remain somewhat dignified in your approach to a certain system, because you don't want to disrespect them. You don't want to disrespect them. Okay, but there's something here that's trying to get you to open up and talk, okay, without being worried that you are belittling others here, okay, that are a part of an old system that you once believed in, okay. Something about that system is transforming anyway. Something about it is outdated. Yeah, we have 30, divine timing, along with that image here. The eye is right there. And then we have 39, creativity. Yeah, I'm getting creative souls here. I'm also getting something about lost souls that are not found. They were lost because they were trapped in a certain system that had them bound, believing that this system was their birthright, or this system belongs to them when it belongs to another. So this could be a conversation that you're having with someone here or some others. Okay. Um, so you found your soul, and you're helping others to find their soul, or you found your soul, some others have found your soul. Now you're coming together to build a society that's safe um, for other souls that have been found or that are finding themselves. Yeah, I'm definitely getting something was built for a long time. So it's not about you defeating them or you um, being responsible and breaking this system down, because I'm getting that is not truly possible at this time. It's not about breaking the system down, but it's about um, shedding light upon why this system is here, why it was formed, why it was built, and why it exists, you know? Let's see, I'm getting something about a halo. Halo, the significance of a halo. I'm getting your halo is being formed because you broke free from a situation. Your halo is being formed. All right, so we have 5, fortune. We also have 7, harmony, which is in alignment with 11, balance, Libra energy. Yeah, is that the halo right there? Yeah, wow. I'm getting something about the shift. The sun is getting closer. The sun is getting closer. I'm also getting something about star formations, or there's another star in the sky, or there's another sun. There's more than one sun in our solar system. Or there's something about the sun getting closer, or there's like another sun that's here. So we have the sun right here as well. Yeah, something about the sun shining brighter, because the sun in Libra is debilitated, but there still is some sense of harmony and balance within that. Yeah, all right. Yeah, Sagittarius. So I'm getting that for a lot of you, whatever you are a part of, this could be a religion, this could be family, friends, a group, a work group, um, a workplace. It was truly holding you back from your true power, your true divinity. Okay, your true calling is what I'm getting. It seems as though a lot of you were ahead of your time. Okay, in regards to those that were around you. Okay, or whatever you were a part of, you were ahead of your time. Okay, your thoughts was ahead of the, of its time, or um, your thought was just kind of like it wasn't in alignment with those around you and the way that they were thinking about certain things here. Okay, yeah, we have Seven of Cups. I don't know why I look at the Seven of Cups sometimes as a waste of time. Not truly all the time. Okay, I mean, some of you could be multi-dating or just out there dating. Maybe you're dating on a certain app or something like that, or this could be where this person is coming from. You're finding them from like dating app or some sort of creative avenue, just like Virgo. Ooh, yeah, we have you in the Magician energy, and we have the Sun at the bottom again. Yeah, you're finding your power. Okay, this is your power, and this is your birthright. Okay, to be in this position. All right, to be the Magician. Okay, to wield the power because you know what to do with it, and also because you're going to use it. All right, the universe don't want to give this power to just anyone because it's a matter of if they're going to use it or not, and also what are they going to use it for. Um, so this is the energy of manipulation, being able to manipulate. Okay, certain energies. Yeah, we have the Sun and we have the Chariots. Yeah, this is beautiful energy here. I'm also getting something about building up your body. Okay, building up your temple, building up the temple. Okay, the temple of God is being built and established here. All right, on earth as it is in heaven. Okay, so there's something about that that's coming in. And then, yeah, we have the Two of Cups. Yeah, so connection will come in pretty soon. Okay, so I'm definitely getting something about Hermes, but also Apollo. All right, so some of you could be musicians, but this is something about the fine arts. All right, so some of you could definitely be musicians. So there's something about that here that's being restored. Okay, your musical genius here. Yeah, we have Ten of Pentacles, and yeah, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, so that's the foundation right there, and then the Two of Pentacles. Learning how to bring these things together or allow them to work simultaneously here. All right. You could be dealing with a Virgo or have Virgo highly placed in your chart. And then we have the King of Cups. Okay, so receiving some deep, maybe hidden information or occultic information, okay, in regards to a group. Now, of course, this could be something dealing with like masonry, masons. I just heard the archons. Yeah, we have the Hanged Man. Yeah, I'm getting something about sacrificing or zapping energy. You were involved in something and it kind of like was zapping your energy. But of course, I also saw the Ten of Wands here. It's almost like you have unlimited potential or you have unlimited power or unlimited energy. And there's like a group here that needed you to stay there with them because they saw you as kind of like access to unlimited power or unlimited potential here. Yeah, we have the Five of Swords and we have the Princess of Swords here. Okay, so we go from the Earth to the Swords right here. And then we have the Six of Pentacles, success. Okay, so first thing I'm getting, like whatever you do for work, it seems as though you will have success there. Okay, patronage or some sort of elevation that's going on here or donations or something like that is coming through for you. Okay, but it seems as though your main focus is right on this side. Okay, the Foolish Man. Yeah, I'm definitely getting you're not like the other people that you're surrounded by. Six of Pentacles again. You're definitely not like the people that you are surrounded by. Let's use a different deck. do we have here for the Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, please? There's something that's different about your energy, or something different about who you are as an individual. I'm getting it's hard for others to truly figure you out. They don't know who you are. All they know is that you have this great power. And I'm hearing that saying, I believe it is from Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility, unless he was quoting someone else. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's like others were trying to limit, you know, your power, or tell you what to use it for, what to use it on, okay, or tell you that the power was coming from something else when in reality it was coming from you. So that's that sun energy here. Your birthright, what you are entitled to. Yeah, Seven of Wands. Okay, I see you kind of like just fighting these people off. Okay, you're like going up against this. All right, they want to challenge you. You're up for the challenge, is what I'm getting. Okay. Yeah, we have the Ace of Swords. Yeah, again, that's like your birthright here. Okay. I'm definitely getting something about lightning, a lightning strike. Okay, we have Strength card here. Wow. There's the Magician again, and it's upright. Okay, it's in a good position. Okay, this is you. Yeah, it's like you're finding your power. I'm getting that a lot of you went up against either like your family, or again like this society that you're a part of, and that was kind of like the wrong move on their part, because I'm hearing something about God striking them down, or now of course this could be a strike that's going on. I'm getting the universe is on strike, or their own God is on strike, something like that. Yeah, we have the Eight of Pentacles showing up again. A lot of you are in the process of working on something great. You're in the process of working on something great here. It's like you're receiving this information from the heavens above, or from, am I hearing a conduit for the gods? So Five of Swords, Princess of Swords. Now we have the Eight of Pentacles here. Okay, we have the Eight of Pentacles in the reverse position, and then we have the Devil. Yeah, control. So there still is this energy of someone or some others trying to control what you're doing, what you're working on, what you're putting your efforts in, your work. There's someone here that's truly trying to control that. Okay, we have Four of Pentacles. We have the Title card. What else do we have? And then we have the Four of Swords. Devil. So, I mean, you're at rest here. Okay, but I'm also getting something about going down the rabbit hole. Mm, I'm hearing something about going down the rabbit hole. I didn't pick it from here, but I'm also getting something about the black pill. So you're willing to go to those places that others are not, that are afraid to go. That's your power. And that's why you're given certain information that others are not able to obtain or they're not able to handle. Some of you could be working on a story of some kind, or maybe you're writing up your own thing, you're working on a book, and it goes deep. It definitely goes against a certain power structure, an authority figure, but there's something that you're doing that someone's trying to control. Maybe it's like names that are being given, dates that are being given. It's almost like history. Maybe some of you are historians or you're writing a historical dialogue of some kind. But there definitely is like an energy of someone trying to prevent this, whatever you're doing. Because again, it's going down the rabbit hole. Um, Initially, it was coming off as conspiracies, but I'm getting everything adds up together. Whatever you're doing, however you're putting something together, it adds up well. Some others, they know this. And they know, like, if this gets out to public, gets out to the public, that could potentially be when their their system falls from grace. Let's get on this. I'm getting you found a jewel, or you are the jewel. Yeah, I'm getting someone's kind of like messing up your work. They're messing with your work. They're making it not the best quality. I'm also getting something about a spill. Someone spilled something on your work, or maybe you spilled something. There's like blemishes or something that's going on here. But I see something being secured, okay? I see you kind of like cleaning something off, or maybe you had like spares of something. Yeah, so someone's trying to tarnish your work. If you do something online, I'm getting like you post something up and then it's like deleted, but you have a backup or you have spares here. So someone wasn't thinking that far ahead like you. It's like you're thinking far ahead. Someone tries to come up against you, they feel as though whatever you're presenting is your only work available or is all that you have, but you have like spares somewhere else just in case something goes wrong. Yeah, we have the Nine of Hearts. Okay, riches, wealth, inheritance. Okay, some of you could work in trade. Okay, um, I'm getting some of you are losing people that are close to you. Okay, or that were once close to you. They're kind of like the main culprits here. Yeah, see, there's a book right here. Again, like I said, some of you are putting together a book, or you will put together a book of like experiences or findings or something like that. And it's almost everything adds up. They know that when you do something, you'll make sure that it all adds up, that there are no contradictions here. So, whatever you're doing, whatever you're saying, whatever you're talking about, whatever you're discussing, they know that there will be no contradictions. You are the sign of truth. And so, that's your birthright. Truth, honesty. Yeah, we have the Queen of the Queen of Spades here. Someone is looking at you with great love and longing. Yeah, they're going to have to miss you when you're gone. Okay? And watch you work. Watch you build as they fall. That's all it's going to be, because someone or some others are so heavily involved in something that they at this point feel as though there's no way out, no possible way of getting out, without them feeling like then that they don't belong to anything, and they wouldn't be able to handle that, not being able to belong to something. They wouldn't know where to go. They wouldn't know, what they belong to, or if they belong to anything, if they leave this or if they stop doing this. So that's why they must continue, is what they're thinking. Whereas you always knew that you never belonged. So everything that you said or everything that you did was contradicting what they did. Interesting. All right, so I'll leave it there. All right, Sagittarius. So I appreciate you for tuning in. Continue to like, comment, and share. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family, click on all notifications so you're reminded when I release further energy updates. Be on the lookout for those. I will be talking to you then, but until then, stay tuned.